एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू रिशन इंटीरियर्स। आई एम सुमन, इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर, और आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं मॉड्यूलर वार्डरोब्स के बारे में। लेकिन ये मॉड्यूलर वार्डरोब्स बाकी की वार्डरोब से थोड़ा अलग है, क्योंकि ये वार्डरोब्स बनी है मेटल में, वो भी बिना किसी मेटल की साउंड के। ये मॉड्यूलर वार्डरोब्स रस्ट फ्री हैं, ड्यूरेबल हैं, लो मेंटेनेंस है और नॉर्मल वुडन वार्डरोब से कहीं ज़्यादा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है। तो आज की वीडियो में हम जानेंगे इन मॉड्यूलर वार्डरोब्स की डिज़ाइन, प्लानिंग, प्राइसिंग और इंस्टॉलेशन के बारे में। तो आइए जानते हैं मॉड्यूलर वार्डरोब्स के बारे में डिटेल में।
Hello everyone, welcome to the Verante Living, and we are going to demonstrate our product line here. So first we will begin with our wardrobes, which is the metal wardrobe. This is the wardrobe from the steel, and the idea to use the steel wardrobe over the regular wooden wardrobe is because of the durability. This is a termite free and a long lasting product, unlike the wooden, which is usually get deteriorate over the period of time. So since the steel wardrobe, you might have a question that this might have a sound. We have mitigated the sound of this steel. Once you see the product, this is the soundless, like you will not get the unwanted sound of the steel. Because of the machining we have done, the technology we used, we have prepared the 20 mm shutters. So these are the soundproof wardrobe. And over the finishing we have done the PU coating over the shutters to make more elegant of this. So we have color range of more than 1700 in the matte and gloss finish. So we use this can be customized according to requirement, like the male, females and the kids, and according to we can use the accessories and like internal shelf and drawer we can set up. Let's begin with this one. Here if you see, this is the pull down unit where we use 7 and 8 feet wardrobe. You usually get struggle how to get hang your usual clothes. So this can be done, like you can pull it down easily, and like people like 5 feet or 4.5 feet or 5.5 feet can easily can access their clothes and put it back. So this is very easy to access, and you can simply leave it here. Okay, the soft closing hinges and soft closing channel. We have used the German fittings like Hairtech, Hafele, Blum, Grass, as per the customer desire. These are the drawers to use your clothes. This is in the GI. We also do the stainless steel. Mostly we do stainless steel in the kitchen and the bathroom vanities. Wardrobe we can also do the stainless steel. We will take you over there as well. Yes, of course. This can be customized. This can be sliding wardrobe as well. You can use the lacquered glass finish as well. You can use the differentiate of the metal wardrobe.
Center वाला part है वो lacquered glass में।
This is in the aluminium frame, and we put the normal glasses, but you can do the lacquered glass as well. Another wardrobe is like this. There is accessories like this. You can put your accessories over here. So according to requirement, you see there are 3 drawers we have put here, soft close. So according to requirement, this can be customized. Yeah. Again, this is soft close shutters. This is part of this wardrobe as well. Here is another accessories. If you see, for your trousers and sari, you can put out here. This
प्राइस रेंज की बात करें तो कैसा रहता है?
Since this is the customized and the metal prices are quite volatile, so there is no thumb rule. Usually it start around 4,000 rupees per square feet usually, but since the metal price is quite volatile, it cannot be fixed like the wooden things.
इसमें जो आपका प्राइस रेंज है उसमें जो एक्सेसरीज है, मॉड्यूलर एक्सेसरीज,
Yes, that includes. Yeah, that includes delivery and installation completely at our company cost.
स्कर्टिंग भी इसका आपका एसएस में ही दिया है।
This is aluminum skirting. The skirting is aluminum skirting, and the thing is we produce it at factory. We usually what is the procedure? We get the once we finalize the order and drying and all the things, we usually see the sites, guide the people, and the entire thing will produce at the factory like a modular furniture, and it will take only 1 or 2 days at our team to get installed at your site. So it's pretty hassle free. Usually if you do the furniture at home, so it takes 3 to 6 months at home, whereas we will produce it at 45 days and deliver it to you.
Okay, so this is
Yeah, this is 7 feet.
And what if you want loft?
We can add the 2 feet or 2.5 feet loft size over here.
तो आपने देखा कि एसएस में बना ये वार्डरोब ना सिर्फ फंक्शनल है, ड्यूरेबल है, बल्कि साथ ही साथ फिनिशिंग और लुक्स में भी बहुत ही अमेजिंग है। इससे पहले हमने स्टील में बने मॉड्यूलर किचन्स के बारे में एक वीडियो बनाई थी। अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो अभी के अभी जाके देखिए, और वीडियो अगर आपको पसंद आई है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए। और इसी तरीके के इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग रिलेटेड कंटेंट के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।